all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your TikTok leads to your ActiveCampaign. And in order to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your ActiveCampaign, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then move on further and purchase it. Alright, so this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action, and this trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for TikTok and select TikTok right over here. And then we have to select this TikTok lead generation right over here. Now for the event, we have to select the event as new lead and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between TikTok and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with TikTok lead generation. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that you've logged in your TikTok account before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only going to get this option to give the permissions. So once you get this option to give the permissions, just click on this confirm and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And once you're going to click on this confirm, your TikTok account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the advertiser ID and the form right over here. So as you can see that this is my form, so I've selected the same. Now after this, I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, but you have to make sure that the response format should be selected as advanced. And now click on this save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now you have two options. The first option is wait until you receive a real lead in real time. And the second option is if you do not have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. And in order to generate the test lead, capture the trigger response in the TikTok lead generation app, you will have to make the use of create test lead action in the next step. And for that, we have attached the documentation right over here. In this documentation, we have attached the video on how you can generate a test lead right over here. Going to see the video. I have already generated the test lead, so let's capture the webhook response for the same right over here. And now you can see we have received this response, and in this response we have captured the details of our leads. Alright, so now we have to close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for ActiveCampaign and select it. For the event, you have to select it as create or update a contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between ActiveCampaign and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking for the URL and the API key. So to get this, just open your ActiveCampaign account and then go towards this settings. Once you're on the settings, from the left hand of the side, go on this developer and you're going to see this is the URL. So just copy this API URL and paste it in your workflow. But you have to make sure that you have to paste this API URL without this https//. So just start it from here. And then for the API key, you're going to see the API key just below this. Just copy this API key and paste it right over here. After pasting both of this, click on this save and your ActiveCampaign account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now one by one, you have to enter all of these details in order to create a new contact in ActiveCampaign. So right now, I'm just going to show you that I have 0 contacts right over here. Now it's just going to create the contacts. So for that, I'm just going to enter the email address, but we're not going to enter this manually by typing it like this, but instead we're just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to insert the data, just put a slash and then search for the data and map it. Now you can see that I've mapped the details which I had of my lead. I'm just going to scroll and click on this save and send test request. The rest of the details are not that required. If you wish, you can definitely select that too. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we are going to receive the positive response that we have successfully created the new contact in ActiveCampaign. So let's open our ActiveCampaign and you're going to see the contact details have been added right over here. Be it the name, email or the phone number, the details are added. Not only for this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from TikTok, automatically the lead details will be added in ActiveCampaign. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.